if you're experiencing lag spikes while playing EAFC 25, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially fix the issue. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. You can run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. If your connection is slow, consider resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth or system resources. This includes web browsers, streaming services, and other games. This can help free up resources for a smoother gaming experience. Step 3. Optimize game settings. Adjust the in-game settings to lower graphics quality or reduce the resolution. This can help improve performance, especially if your system is struggling to keep up with higher settings. Look for options related to frame rate and resolution to find a balance that works for you. Step 4. Update drivers and software. Make sure your graphics card drivers and game software are up to date. Outdated drivers can lead to performance issues and lag. Check the manufacturer's website for the latest updates and install them as needed. Step 5. Use a wired connection. If you're currently using Wi-Fi, switch to a wired Ethernet connection. Wired connections are generally more stable and can reduce lag spikes significantly. If a wired connection isn't possible, try to minimize the distance between your console or PC and the router. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate lag spikes in EAFC 25. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance. Happy gaming!